We are definitely not the kind of government agency that's like, oh no, we're doing everything right.
Richmond and Henrico Health District's Equity Director, Jackie Lawrence, recognizes Virginia lags in reporting race and ethnicity data related to the coronavirus vaccine. As of February 7th, about 33% of total vaccinations in the Commonwealth do not include that information.
Do you think that missing data will ever be reported at some point?
Yes, I definitely think it will be reported.
Lawrence says one reason for the delay is when the rollout first began, VDH was still building a system to track the data.
The really specific roles and tasks around ensuring that it happens came a little bit behind the actual vaccine systems.
Of the numbers that are shown on VDH's website, white people account for 72% of COVID-19 vaccinations, black people 12%, and Latinos around 5%. Despite the fact that blacks and Latinos combined make up nearly 48% of the state's COVID hospitalizations and 31% of deaths.
So the first group that went was 1A, our healthcare workers. And so majority of them are actually white individuals. And two, we can't forget about vaccine hesitancy.
Lawrence says government mistrust and a lack of access to resources in minority communities also widen the gap. That's why the health district recruits community leaders like Pastor Ralph Hodge to help get vaccines to black families in underserved neighborhoods.
You look at Southside, we don't have a lot of pharmacies. We don't have a lot of small clinics.
Vaccinators set up a mobile clinic at Pastor Hodge's Southside Church this weekend, and he encouraged his congregation to come get a shot.
They heard a person they see every Sunday. Oh, you're getting it? Oh, they're doing it at the church? Okay, sure. I'll be right there.
Now, Lawrence says while there's a lack in vaccine data on race and ethnicity, health officials use inference points to fill in those holes and figure out which zip codes need to be reached. I should also mention it's not required for people to give their race and ethnicity if they don't want to. Working for you in Richmond, Tyler Lane, CBS 6 News.